Hi guys, this is Mike and this will be a shootout and a sound demonstration of the Mosky Audio Silver Horse and the J.Rockett Audio Designs Archer in the JB version, which is the slightly more expensive version than the standard silver version, right? And yeah, what we're going to do today is to listen to 3 different sound samples, and after that I'm going to give you my opinion on these 2 pedals. So let's actually start with the sound samples. Here we go. Enjoy. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you like the sound samples, and if you've made it this far, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I really want to achieve, 20,000 subs this year. That would be awesome. So yeah, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Do these 3 things. They're absolutely for free, right? And more than 90% of you guys watching this video aren't subscribers. So please do me the favor. It costs you absolutely nothing, but really makes my day. Okay, so now let's talk about these 2 pedals. And, out of the gate, I have to say both of these sound amazing, right? In my opinion, they take what made the, Ibanez Tube Screamer that famous and upgrade it, right? So we have this beautiful sounding overdrive, which still, retains the note clarity and the attack, right? I mean, if you don't overdo the whole gain thing, of course, right? But yeah, on lower gain setting, both of these pedals sound amazing. Having said that, I actually do feel, to be completely honest, that the Mosky Audio Silver Horse sounds just as nice, or maybe even a tiny little bit nicer than the American-made J.Rockett Audio Designs Archer. I have to be honest, right? My channel is not pushing, expensive stuff. I'm always trying to say my personal opinion, and that opinion can't be bought, right? And so, yeah, to be completely honest, I actually do prefer the Silver Horse. In my opinion, on low gain settings, it's more transparent. It's also somehow juicier. I think it leaves more of the bass intact, while on the JB Archer, I feel that the bass is a little bit cut when you compare it to the clean guitar. On higher gain setting, this pedal sounds great, but it does sound like, a pedal, like an overdrive pedal, a very good sounding overdrive pedal, I will add. But I actually do prefer the high gain setting on the Silver Horse. Voice 2 is a little bit unnecessary in my opinion. I didn't show it in this video, but as soon as you go to Voice 2, you have to put the volume down because it clips your signal. Otherwise, it gets very loud and very hot, right? But yeah, to be completely honest, I think if you bought two of these, you would be perfectly, set up. One of those would be set to like a low gain setting and one to a higher gain setting. And that would be actually great. And you could buy 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe even pedals, these pedals here instead of one JB Archer. Of course, the resale value on this thing here will be way better. And of course, this is made in America. So you pay American prices for an American product. But still, it is what it is. I actually do prefer the Silver Horse. Right? And I'm very curious what you think. So definitely leave a comment down below. And yeah, that was it for today. Have a good one, guys. See you next time. Bye.
With 2 eyes.